Okay, let's look at these two questions from WASSCE 2024 September edition for Daniel. If P is a set of minus 20246 as the element of that set, and Q is also having minus 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, we have to find the set of P intersection Q. The element that belong to P at the same time belong to what? Q. So let's see. If I have P intersection Q, I am looking at for the element of P that I can see in Q. So from minus 2, minus 3, 0, 0. So 0 is the first common term, 2, 2 is common, 4, no, 6. So this becomes the element of the set P intersection Q. And that will give us the option what? D. Alright, for the question 19, an office equipment depreciates at 15% per annum. If the cost is 1,200 Ghana cedis, when new, right? We have to find the value after 3 years. Depreciation, meaning reduction in value. The value of the office equipment will be depreciating, will be reducing at the rate of what? 15%. The amount we are going to find, which is the value at the end of the 3 year, will be equals to the value of the car or the equipment at that year when it is new, multiplied by 1 minus R divided by 100 times what? N, raised to the power N, where the P is the value of the machine or the equipment, that's the now, the value of the machine now. The R is the rate, right? But this is rate simply means that the percentage. So since it is 15% and divided by this, we still just pick what? 15. If you have to respect the formula we have here. If you put 15%, it may become 15 over 100 over 100. So here, you can put R here and write your R to be 15%. So that in there, it will become 15 over 100. All right. Then the N is how many years is the value depreciation? That is what? 3 years. So we only do substitution of these values into the original value or to find the new what? Value of the equipment. All right. To substitute, our new value will become 1,200, 1 minus 15 out of 100 and 3. So 1,200, 1 minus, this is going to be 0. Okay, let's put in decimal. 0. what? 15 raised to the power 3. This is 1 minus this. It will be giving us 0.85 raised to the power 3. Therefore, 1200 times that value in decimal, 0.585 raised to the power 3. And that will give us 0.614125. And when we multiply that by the 1,200, our value becomes 736.95. It means so the new value become 736.95. That is if we are to make use of the formula. We can also find the depreciation of the machine year after year. That is, the value is decreasing by 15%, meaning that the value of the machine will now become 85%. So 85% times 1,200 will give you the depreciation for the first year. That will be somewhere 1,020. Then 1,020 times the 85 again, and that will also give you the depreciation for the second year. And that value multiply by 0.85, we'll come back to the 736.95 as the value of the car being depreciated. You can try that approach and share your answers with us in the comment section, both on Facebook and on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.